Have you ever noticed that most AI coding tools are smart, but they still make you do the most annoying part of the job, re-explaining everything? You spend more time babysitting the AI and fixing its generic mistakes than actually building your product. In 2026, we shouldn't be workhorses for our AI tools. They should be working for us. Today, I'm showing you a tool that's moving away from being just a chat box and becoming an actual coding partner. It's called EniaCode. Instead of waiting for you to prompt it, it's watching your build, learning your style, and proactively catching issues before you even realize they're there. Let's dive into why this is a game changer for your workflow. Alright, let's start with the most frustrating problem: constant repetition. I'm going to show you what happens with a typical AI tool like ChatGPT when you're building a React application. Let's say I need to create a user profile component. Watch what I have to type. Create a React user profile component. Use TypeScript with interfaces, not types. Use functional components. Include proper prop validation. Add error boundaries. Use my preferred naming convention with Pascal case for components. Okay, great. It gives me the component. Now let's say I need another component, a user settings component. Let me ask for it. Create a user settings component. And look at this. It's using types instead of interfaces. No error boundary. Different naming pattern. Why? Because it forgot everything I just told it. So now I have to type it all again. No. Use TypeScript interfaces, not types. Add error boundaries. Use functional components with proper prop validation. Basically, explain over and over until I get the result. Okay, now it's right. But here's the thing. I'm going to need 20 more components in this project. Am I really going to type out all my preferences 20 more times? This is exhausting, and it gets worse. This is where EniaCode is different. It's an AI agent that actually learns your coding style and habits over time. Instead of giving you generic code, it delivers results that fit your expectations from the very first line. No more repeating instructions. Think of it as a colleague who's been sitting next to you for years. It remembers that you prefer certain naming conventions or specific library patterns. The more you use it, the more personalized it becomes, so you spend less time editing the AI's work and more time actually building. The second problem is the chat window trap. Most tools require you to stop coding to interact with them. That break in focus is where productivity goes to die. Let me show you what this looks like in real development. I'm working on this API integration. I've got my mental model of the problem, I'm in the zone, and I'm writing this fetch function. But then I realize, wait, I need to handle rate limiting, add retry logic, and manage loading states properly. So what do I do with current AI tools? Watch this workflow. I have to stop coding, switch to the AI tool, and now I need to explain my entire context. I'm building a React app with TypeScript. I have an API fetch function that calls a REST endpoint. I need to add rate limiting with exponential backoff, retry logic for failed requests, proper error handling, and loading state management. The API returns JSON and might return 429 status codes. Okay, now I wait. Claude Sonnet generates the code. Now I have to read through it, copy the relevant parts, switch back to VS Code, paste it in, adjust it to fit my existing code structure. And by the time I'm done with all this switching, I've completely lost my train of thought. What was I working on before this? What was my next step? I have to spend another 5 minutes just getting back into the mental model of the problem. EniaCode stays in your flow. It works proactively in the background, so you don't need to stop what you're doing to explain a problem. It's paying attention to what you're building in real time. Notice how it comes to you. It catches potential issues or suggests better approaches, like a more efficient way to handle a data stream, right as you're typing. It's about keeping you in that deep work zone while it handles the heavy lifting in the background. Let's talk about teams. Every team has senior knowledge, those best practices that aren't written down anywhere. When a new person joins, they often struggle because the AI they're using doesn't know the team's secret sauce. EniaCode makes team knowledge automatic. It picks up on the patterns and conventions of your senior developers and then proactively guides the rest of the team to follow those same patterns. It's like having a senior dev doing a pair programming session with every single member of the team, every single day. New members get real-time nudges that keep the code base consistent, and you don't have to waste time in code reviews correcting the same style mistakes over and over. So let's bring this all together. Why does EniaCode matter? First, it adapts to your style instead of forcing you to adapt to it. You're not training an AI, it's learning from you naturally as you work. Second, it eliminates repetition. Once EniaCode understands your preferences, you never have to explain them again. Your cognitive load drops dramatically. Third, it preserves your flow. No more context switching, no more interruptions. Proactive suggestions appear exactly when you need them. And fourth, it scales team knowledge. The expertise of your best developers becomes accessible to everyone, automatically. This isn't just an incremental improvement over existing AI coding tools. This is a fundamental rethinking of how AI should assist developers. Not as a tool you command, but as a partner that understands you. Now, EniaCode is launching its public beta soon, and you can register right now to get priority access when it goes live. Click the pinned link in the comments below to sign up. You'll be first in line for the free trial when the public beta begins. If you're tired of repeating yourself to AI tools and want a coding partner that actually learns and adapts, this is definitely worth checking out. The link is right there in the pinned comment. Go register and let me know in the comments. Which of these 3 features are you most excited about? The learning, the flow preservation, or the team knowledge? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more developer tool reviews and tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep coding smart.